stuff, yeah? And I'm a relationships counsellor. And I've had a few emails from worried couples that want me to address the slight irritation that is the snoring. Yes, now there's a few things you could try. You could try the nudge. You could try the, I'll just turn round then. And hopefully that might awaken your partner and they'll stop snoring. The one I prefer is the shut up! Well, to me, I'm asleep. We could try that together if you like. Shut up! Well, to me, I'm asleep. That way your partner awakens. Can't have been them awaking me, they're asleep. And you're in the clear. Okay.